Hello mga kaboods! So today we are here in Alabang Town Center and meron tayong pupuntahan na isang restaurant today na masarap and at the same time I'm sure ma-enjoy nyo din kasi maganda din yung lugar. So let's go para makita nyo kung saan tayo pupunta for today. So, ang pupuntahan natin today is the Fat Folk Kitchen. Malapit lang siya dito from the Alabang Town Center. So, walking distance na lang siya, mga kaboods, no? So, dito tayo dadaan. Ito yung gilid ng Alabang Town Center. So, dito tayo dadaan. And then from here, malapit na tayo sa ATC Tower. So dito, tabi-tabi na yung mga establishments na makikita nyo. So, meron dito, kung gusto mo ng samgyupsal, ng Sibuli, and then, andito din yung ramenagi. And then, after ramenagi, papunta na tayo sa Fat Folk. Okay? Yan. So dito, meron din tong take-out counter dito diretso. Kung gusto mo mag-take-out, dito ka na lang pupunta. Tapos, nasa loob din yung dining area nila. Okay, so let's go inside. Okay guys, so mag-order na tayo dito sa Fat Folk. So ito yung mga menu nila. Ayan. Ayan, so tingnan mo siya. Ayan. So ito yung mga best sellers nila. Ayan, ito yung mga best sellers nila. Ayan. And then, ito yung mga appetizers. Tapos ito syempre yung masarap yung dim sum nila, yung xiaolongbao. Yan. Tapos ito yung mga soup and noodles. So ito yung mga rice. Yan. Yan. Ito pa yung iba mga vegetables meal nila. Ito yung mga meats. Ayan. Okay. So, mamaya guys, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga in-order namin. Okay? Good day mga kamoods! So, today, we are going to do the final review for Fat Folk. So, again, I would just like to remind you that we have 3 criteria in which we are going to give a verdict for the restaurants that we are visiting. Number 1, that would be the place. Number 2, that would be the service. And last but not the least is number 3, which is the food. And of course, ganun pa din, we are going to rate them according to 3 scores. So they could get a score of have they, and they could get a score of carry, or they could get a score of wale.
So today, I would just like to give a disclaimer regarding the videos that I am uploading. This is a personal lifestyle vlog. So all opinions expressed here are my own and has not been influenced by any means. And my reviews are based on my experience when I visited the place at that time. I am not a food critic, nor do I consider myself one. This is just a platform in order for me to be able to express and review my own personal dining experiences. May it be have, carry, or wale. It's if you disagree or agree with me at any point in time or do not receive the same experience, I will not be responsible because everyone will have their own unique dining experiences. So also, I would just like to inform you guys that all the meals are paid for by me. However, if any of the meals or products are going to be sponsored, or for example, I am going to be invited as a guest, I will definitely disclose it at the end of each vlog. Okay? So, let's continue with our vlog.
Na ako ate ha. Alright. Dito tayo sa bestseller. Alam ko bestseller nyo to. Ano ito yung pork chow lang ba? Anong laman nito? Pork. Tapos ito yung parang medyo may soup sa loob. Okay. Tapos itong beef, black pepper. Alam ko sellable din to sa inyo eh. Saka ito, di ba? Itong
Chicken chops.
Oo. Yan. Tapos dito sa fried rice, hindi ako ng health. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung masarap dito sa fried rice. Ano ba masarap dito?
Ang best seller po namin sir is ito po Taiwan style fried rice. It has sausage, Taiwanese sausage, and medyo matamis.
Meron siyang peanut?
Wala.
Wala. Okay. So ito yung best seller.
Yes.
Good for two na to.
2 to 3%.
O sige, ito na to. Kasi initially, gusto ko sana shrimp fried rice. Pero sinasabi mo, ito yung mabenta yung Taiwan. Kasi go tayo dyan. And then, may tanong ako dito sa sa soup. Ano yung mabenta dito sa soup nyo? Kasi may
nakita. Sir is Taiwan beef sweet then yun po yung pinaka-best seller.
Oh.
This one, sir.
Ito.
Yes.
Pag yung mga ganito, ano mabenta dyan?
Good for solo po siya. Ito po Bali-repeat ko na po yung order nila, sir. You ordered 1 Taiwan style fried rice po, 2 oyster omelette, isang tikoy, xiaolong tong 10 pieces, chicken chops, and black pepper.
Okay, thank you. Sige, wait namin ha. 50. Okay, sige. Okay lang. Pwede mo ibigay mo na yung drinks or kung ano yung pwede mauna para hindi kami magutom. Hindi ba ako kumakain? Thank you. Okay.
So, anyways, let's start with the first criteria, which is all about the place. So guys, dun sa fat folk, one of the things that I could say to you guys is number 1, hindi kayo problema sa parking if you have a car kasi ang luwag-luwag ng parking because it's just within Alabang Town Center. And then number 2 is accessible yung area kasi madali siya puntahan. And they even have like this ramp for PWD. So again, that's a plus point when you're going to Fat Folk. Another thing as well is that maganda yung decor doon kasi high ceiling sila. And then they also provide an option if you want to pay using card or cash. You can also do that in Fat Folk. And ang maganda din doon, hiwalay yung take-out counter nila dun sa dining. So for example, if you're gonna be doing take-out, nasa bandang labas siya and then may mga seat doon, then you can wait there. So ibig sabihin, lahat ng nasa loob, puro dining lang sila doon. And then, ano ba ang naalala ko doon? Yeah. I think the only thing that I just have a comment there would be when it comes to the CR. Kasi yung CR sa Fat Folk, wala sa loob ng restaurant. You really have to go outside, which is like a public CR provided for the tenants of the restaurants there. So, mas maganda sana kung andun ka yung CR mismo dun sa loob, no? Kasi my friend who went to the CR, I think it took him like around 5 minutes para makapunta at makabalik. So having said that, ang score na bibigay ko sa Fat Folk is Carrie. So we're gonna be going naman on the next criteria, which is about the service. Well, I would say in Fat Folk, the waiters or the waitress there are really very accommodating kasi pagpasok namin, we are greeted.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you. First time ko sa Fat Folk. Try ko yung foods nyo. Yeah, thank you.
And then when we also left, we are greeted. And not only that, they also give you recommendations. For example, may mga menu na gusto mong orderin and then wala doon sa menu nila, then they will tell you, ito yung mga options available. And then, Ang maganda din dyan is even yung manager, I think, I remember the manager even approaches and asks how the food was. So ang masasabi ko when it comes to the service for Fat Folk, isa siyang malaking habe. So I hope that you would be able to continue doing that to all of your customers kasi I really felt that I was really taken care of at that time when I went to Fat Folk. And last but not the least is all about the food. Ay ate, thank you so much. Okay, ito yung service water natin. And then this is for the iced tea, no? Thank you so much. Ito yung peach mango. Okay. And then ito yung honey lemon. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Honey lemon nila ate. Saka peach mango. Yan. Ito yung drinks namin for today habang hinihintay namin yung food patatin. Yan. So, titikman na natin mga kamods itong honey lemon iced tea nila. Yan, di ba? Ang cute ng lagayan nila dito, guys. So, di ba? Ang cute. Even yung plastic nila. At ang kanilang tea, guys, with stevia. Ibig sabihin, low calorie. So, ibig sabihin, kunyari, kung diabetic yung mga kasama nyo, hindi kayo mag-worry. Yan, taste na natin siya. Masarap, hindi siya masyadong matamis. Mas nangingibabaw yung lasa ng tea kesa yung lasa ng matamis. Di ba usually na kadalasan yung iced tea mas matamis kesa yung sa tea ang nalasa mo. Ito, mas nangingibabaw yung tea. Kaya perfection.
Taste na natin tong Xiaolong Bao nila so that we will know how it tastes. Ayan, so ito tinuturo ko sa inyo. Diba? Umuusok-usok pa. Nakita mo? Tama? Umuusok-usok siya. Tapos didip natin siya dito, guys. And then, tikman na natin kung anong lasa. Wow! Ang sarap. Kasi guys, yung pinaka-wrapping niya, hindi ganun kakapal, hindi rin ganun kanipis. So pag kinagat mo siya guys, siguro pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura nito guys, no? At sinausaw mo siya dito sa nagko-complement yung lasa ng ginger. And pag kinain mo siya guys, tingnan nyo ha, may naalabas siya na juice. Hindi ko susubulan. So nakita nyo yung guys, yung loob. Diba? Yan. So, Xiaolong Bao ito. So, masarap. Super sarap. May nalapit mo para makita nila yung loob. So, that's how it looks like inside. Kasi meron siyang soup sa loob pag kinakain mo. Tapos pag sinawsaw mo siya.
So, the food, oh my goodness. If you're gonna be going to Fat Folk, ang talagang orderin mo yung Xiaolong Bao nila kasi ang sarap. And then, lalo na pag nagbe-burst yung mga juice inside your mouth pag kinakain mo siya. And
fried chops. Napit mo sa akin. Yan o. Sama yung guys. Ang sarap. Ang crispy. Yung breading niya. And then, yung marinade dito sa loob ng chicken, lasang-lasa mo yung salt and may pepper to, pero may additional spices ako nalalasahan dito sa breading niya. And definitely, makakain mo siya kahit wala kang sauce nito lang, mas okay na siya. Ayan, masarap siya. Good choice to, kaya alam ko na kung bakit bestseller to. And let's go here. Nice. So this is the Taiwanese fried rice. Yan, tikman natin. Oh, my goodness, ang sarap. Hindi overpowering yung lasa ng mga ingredients dito, hindi siya nagsasakawang. Akala mo maalat siya yung rice, actually hindi. So tama lang yung balance ng flavor nila. Alam ko na kung bakit ito yung ni-recommend sa akin kasi pwede mo siyang kainin na sabay dito, pero hindi niya mag-overpower. Kaya niyang i-complement yung lasa ng chicken dito sa fried rice. But definitely, kung gusto mo itong fried rice at nagtitipid ka, ayaw mo order nito, okay na.
Moves. Ito yung oyster miswa nila. Kuha mo siya. Yan. Ayan, so tingnan nyo yung itsura niya. Ayan, ito yung oyster. So makikita mo guys, ito pa. Ayan, may oyster kaagad siya. Ayan. Oh. Tapos, makikita mo yung miswa nasa ilalim. Ayan siya. Oh. So hindi siya yung miswa na manipis na kulay puti. Mapapansin mo medyo ibang klaseng miswa yung ginamit nila dito. Tapos ito yung oyster sauce sa taas. Tapos merong, I think this is, I don't know if this is kimchi, no? Pero yan siya. So yan yung itsura ng oyster miswa sauce nila.
Mm. Wow! Ang sarap ng taste nung ano niya, nung soup niya. Unang-una, hindi siya yung hot na nakakapaso. And then malalasahan mo talaga yung seafood taste dahil din dito sa oysters. And then, alam mo na fresh yung oyster na ginamit dito. Pag tinikman mo siya, yan. Tingnan nyo ito guys, oh. Look at this. Ano? Nakita mo siya yung fresh oyster na ginamit. Yan. Fresh oyster siya. And then, lasa mo rin yung garlic. And then, taste natin yung miswa nila kung okay anong lasa ng miswa. Mm. Ang sarap ng miswa. Parang ano, freshly made yung miswa dito. Hindi siya yung usual na nabibili mong miswa na manipis na kulay puti. So, hindi siya made from rice, I think. Perfect. Masarap ang soup nila dito. It doesn't disappoint. So, try nyo to guys. Yung oyster, ano nila. Although, I think this is not for everybody kasi hindi lahat nakain ng oyster. Pero definitely, this is good for us. Ay, thank you. Umuusok-usok pa yung beef pepper steak na yan. Black pepper steak pala. Beef pepper, black pepper steak. Ayan. So, if you notice, mga kamus, usok-usok pa siya, no? So, pag kinakain mo siya, kita mo na talagang sizzling talaga siya, no? Yan, napakasarap. One of the best seller, bakit kaya? So, makita mo siya freshly served, diba? Yan, sarap, umuusok-usok pa. Alright. Ngayon, titikman naman natin kung ano yung lasa niya. Pero dadahan-dahanin lang natin kasi medyo mainit. Amoyin ko muna. Amoy na amoy ko yung ano, yung pepper sa beefy taste niya. Tikman natin. Ang sarap. Tingnan ito guys. Kung gaano siya kalambot, pakita ko sa inyo. Ano? Diba nakita nyo guys, ano? Pak! Diba? Ang lambot. Ganun siya kasarap kainin. Walang ka-effort. So definitely this is the reason why it's one of the best seller here in Fat Folk, mga kapos. Yan. Yung sizzling beef pepper nila.
Yung chicken chops, the meat alone, yung pagkakamarinate, lasang-lasa mo, and then the coating of the breading is really crispy. You know na masasabi ko dyan. So yun yung medyo dalawang memorable na kinain ko doon sa Fat Folk. But the rest of the dishes are okay because mararamdaman mo talaga yung Taiwanese flavor kasi the spices that was used there, nalalasahan mo talaga siya. And then, ang isa pang maganda doon, yung drinks nila, as far as I remember, yung kinuha kong iced tea, meron siyang stevia, which means that it gives you healthy options, which is good. At saka wide range din naman yung mga foods that they offer, in which you really have a lot of choices to go. So, ang masasabi ko when it comes to Fat Folk for the food is, Habe! So, if you're gonna ask me guys, my final verdict is, will I go to Fat Folk if I want to eat Taiwanese food? Yes, definitely I would, because I have a good experience. minor improvements needed when it comes to availability ng mga options for food. Kasi minsan yung gusto mo wala. So dapat I think they should make a way to make that always available, no, for the customers. And then yung sa CR, yun lang naman. But overall, yes, I would go back to FatFook. And I hope that you enjoy this review, and I hope to see you on our next vlog so that we can eat together, travel together, enjoy, because food is life.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, so uwi na tayo guys at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin dito sa FatFook.